welcome to my channel. Oh, I have a paper plate. Let's do some activity for Hanuman Jayanti. Nana is ready. Let's make a mouth for Hanuman. I finished. Hanuman, mouth is ready. Let's make a face with others paper. Tada is ready. Let's pick it. Pick the mouth. Wow, beautiful. And it's beautiful. Make eyes. Let's make a pokey nose. Pokey nose. Ta-da! Make holes in the eyes. Tie this elastic thread. This is how you put the thread. Let's wear it now.